Joyful Jamboree!
Hi, children. Let's play hide and seek. Animals, are you ready? Okay, we are coming.
I will hide in the bushes.
Where are they?
Let's find them! Hurrah! I can see your tail! T-Rex is in the number 1 spot. It's number 2 spot! Who is hiding here? It's the elephant.
It's the number 3 box. Whoa! We found you, Cat!
Who is in the number 4 basket?
Dog, it's you!
Who is inside the number 5 spot? T-Rex got you again!
Oh no! I got stuck here!
Elephant, I can see you in number 6 spot.
Number 7 spot. I can smell someone. Whoa, Cat, it's you!
Number 8 is moving. Dog, don't make the clothes dirty.
Whoa, T-Rex, get down from number 9, Bunch. Thank God. Let's unveil number 10.
Hurrah! Everyone had fun playing and celebrated together.
Children, let's meet again with a new learning video.
Come on, puppy! Today's going to be a lot of fun! Come on, Mia! We're almost there! You can do this!
Oh, wow! This is amazing!
The magical clothes have arrived. Oh no! Who is this?
He is the king of the forest.
Wow! That's a lion!
It's time to play.
Hey, guys! Who do I look like?
Wow, that's a zebra.
Hey, friends! Can you guess who I am? I can climb trees and jump from one tree to another. And I like to eat bananas. Did you find who I am, guys?
Yes, it's a monkey.
Find me, friends, who I am. I have long legs and a long neck.
Wow, that's a giraffe.
Find out who I am, my friends. I have a long and strong trunk, and I can make sounds with it. Did you find it, guys?
Yes, it's an elephant.
Cat, it's time to make you scary.
Guys, I am a great hunter in this forest. And I can swim and climb trees too. Do you know who I am?
Oh wow, it's a tiger.
You can't escape from me.
Friends, we had a lot of fun by learning about animals. Bye-bye, friends. See you again. Bye.
Come on, friends! Let's have some fun today! Oh, wow! What is that?
Wow, it's a color ice cream machine.
Come on, guys!
Let's try this. First, take this ice cream cone. Place it under the machine and press the button. Wow, guys! I got red-colored ice cream! Wow, guys! This ice cream tastes amazing!
Now it's my turn! I want this flavor of ice cream! Look, friends! I got blue-colored ice cream!
John, I'm going to get 2 different flavors of ice cream. Let me get my ice cream cones. I want 2. Place it under the machine and press the button. Wow, guys! I got orange-colored ice cream.
Hey, Lily, let me try now. I want to try it. I am going to eat a lot of ice cream. This is amazing. Wow, guys! I got green-colored ice cream.
Hey, John, help me get some ice cream.
Okay, Cat. Here we go, Cat. Take this.
Look, guys, I got purple-colored ice cream.
Come on, puppy! I'll get you some ice cream! Did you like this ice cream cone?
Wow, guys! I got pink-colored ice cream!
Bye-bye, friends! See you again! Bye!
Hey, Mia! Let's go in and meet the puppy today!
Oh no! Parts of my house are missing. How can I live here now? I am very sad, my friend.
Don't worry, puppy. The detective team is right here, and we are going to help you.
Oh no! Many parts are missing here! Come, friends! Let's begin the shape hunt!
Where are they? Hey guys, I found a shape. This is a square, and it has equal sides.
How can I find them? Where are they? Hey guys, I think I have found another shape.
Hey, Dino! Be careful! Don't fall down from the tree!
This is a triangle, and it has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Here it goes.
Guys, I found another shape in the sand. A circle is perfectly round, and it has absolutely no corners.
Come on, Elephant! Let's search here! I think we found another shape on the bushes.
Come on, John, hurry up. I'm so excited to see the puppy's house.
It is a star shape.
Where are they? I can't see them. Yeah, Dino! We have finally found the final shape! This is a rectangle, and its opposite sides are parallel. The detective shape hunt has been successfully completed, my friends! Bye-bye, friends! See you again! Bye!
Hey, Lily! Today's going to be so fun! Hi, children! Today we're going to have a grand fruit feast. Hi, friends! How are you?
We are going to collect this fruit today.
Friends, we are going to collect fruits.
How can I move this fruit?
We found a giant apple!
Wow, this yellow colour fruit is very beautiful. I want this fruit. Friends, I have bought a banana for you.
Wow. I'll take this fruit for myself. Hey, T-Rex! Save me from that giant fruit!
Wow, Cat! You got an orange!
These orange is for me, and I will not share them with anyone. Wow! This is a very big cart of grapes.
Come on, Lily! Try harder! We can do this!
Hey guys, we found a big watermelon. Hey elephant, be careful, don't drop it.
Wow, this place is like heaven. I will take this.
Friends, I am coming to you. Please wait for me.
Hey, Puppy! It is a pineapple?
Robert, I found a mango.
Guys, this mango is very delicious! We did it, Lily! We collected all the fruits!
Bye-bye, friends. See you again. Bye.